Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'd like to show you how to make these little pumpkin Halloween toppers made from chocolate. I have my little mold that I've designed here and I'm sticking some baking paper over the top by anchoring it down with melted chocolate on either corner. I like to hold the piping bag in one hand, hold my hand steady with the other, and notice my wrist is not moving, my hands are not moving. What is moving is my legs and my torso, so I'm kind of rocking back and forth for those larger lines, and to fill in you can use your wrist like that stem there for example. But throughout the piping, 90% of the time I am keeping as still as I possibly can to try and really follow those lines. I melted my chocolate in the microwave, but some pieces did not melt and they got stuck in the piping bag, so if this happens, just draw over the lines. We'll be filling in the spaces with white chocolate, so you won't be able to see the little boo-boos here and there. This template I'll be sure to leave linked in the description for you guys. I created it myself on Illustrator. I'm very proud of it. It's my first pen drawing and it came out pretty cool if I do say so myself. And then for the rest of the piping, we're going to be using white chocolate. So this is just baking paper, triangle that I folded into a piping bag. Pop that aside and then take some vegetable oil, mix it through your chocolate. I've got about 3/4 of a cup worth of chocolate and I added about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is going to make sure that when we add our gel food color and mix it through, the chocolate won't seize. It also helps with the flooding consistency of the chocolate. I could have probably added just a teeny more vegetable oil to make it a bit more seamless, but as you see here, this little pin does wonders at smoothing everything out. So you want to flood in between the lines. You want to work it with the little pin right up to the edges of the chocolate. You can also use a piping bag, just little circular motions as you pipe to help spread the chocolate to the lines so that they're touching where the brown is. This is an alternative to royal icing. Royal icing is kind of annoying to make, whereas chocolate, you just melt it in the microwave within a few seconds. You have totally pipeable, workable royal icing alternatives. Once they have dried on your countertop for about 20 minutes, you can pipe some buttercream onto your cupcake and then easily release them from the baking paper. If your chocolate doesn't want to set, you can pop it into the fridge for about an hour and that should do the trick. But use compound chocolate. Compound chocolate you don't have to temper and it will dry up nicely. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.